Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Kaspa. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening, what are some news revolving around it, and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. If you guys are enjoying these kind of updates, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Kaspa as of July 1st, 2023, you guys can see we're still currently sitting at 2.56 cents. We're down about 2.3% over the last 24 hours in USD and Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap almost sitting at a $500 million mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $7.8 million. Speaking about that, guys, this is one of the biggest issues that I've seen a lot of people talk about in the comment section. The overall buying pressure is not high, etc., etc. But remember, guys, it's not listed on all the major exchanges. We need to keep that in mind. Despite that fact, this project has been gaining massive traction around the crypto space. Some people even comparing it to some of the big layer ones out there, and I'm thinking that this could be one of the top performers this bull cycle. Obviously, time is going to tell, but I've seen some people even compare it to Cardano. Yes, you've heard that correct. And yeah, so let's waste no more time and get right in today's update. So if we're looking at Kaspa, just on June 28th, which is just 2 days ago, they came out and tweeted this. It says, a historic moment for crypto. Kaspa just hit 10 BPS on testnet 11, proving scaling and POW is not only possible but happening now. This ushers in a new era for digital assets as Kaspa block DAG with near instant transaction speeds is leading the way. And not only that, you guys can see just yesterday also they said now payments is also thrilled to announce the upcoming integration of Kaspa currency. Get ready to be able to receive payments with Kaspa token. So interesting things are happening. Basically, the point of sharing this with you guys is that the overall hype factor and what you want Kaspa to be doing as a project, it's happening. It's literally happening right in front of you, and that is a great thing that I do want to point out for you guys before we get into the price. But now if we're looking at the price right now, very important, something that I want you guys to keep in mind is, look, if I go on the hourly time frame, the price has been consolidating. We've seen pretty much a consolidation phase happening literally since it hit, this high on June 23rd, which was at 2.8 cents. We've pretty much been hanging around this range. If I show it to you guys like this, you will be able to see what I'm seeing. So a lot of sideways momentum happening right now, consolidation. This is exactly a normal pattern after it has a massive move. Look at this for yourself. Once we hit the support line at that 1.8 cents mark, it ran up literally 50%, okay? It ran up literally 50% after that. So a consolidation like this is only normal before we do see that breakout happening. So I know a lot of people want those instant gains, but these type of projects, you need to have patience, strong patience. And you can also stake your Kaspa tokens if you're in for the long haul. You actually believe that this could be one of the big players in the next 12 months to come, 12 to 14 months, then guess what? Stake your Kaspa tokens. I would strongly encourage you guys to do so. If you guys want to get an update on that, if you guys want me to show you how to do that, I can also do it. But there's also hundreds of videos on YouTube that shows you how to stake your Kaspa token, and you can also see it on their website. I would recommend you guys doing so, because the good thing about staking is, if you're not going to be trading right now, you're not going to be taking profits, your holding is going to get bigger and bigger as time goes by. So that's the beauty of staking. And a lot of people that did that last bull cycle, I saw Cardano, Solana being staked, and a lot of other projects were being staked, and people made Polygon, people made some massive profits off of free coins also. So that's something you want to keep in mind. But right now, I'm really impressed as to how good this project is holding. If it cracked past this 2.8 cents mark, and remember, it's very close for it to hit that resistance, about a 12% move only a 12% move. This time around, I think if it were to get a little bit more volume coming in and BTC hits a new yearly high once again, I am expecting that this could be a runners up and could potentially see April 27th highs that, was at 3.2 cents mark, because that would be that next major level of resistance that could come on its way as it's moving towards the upside. So you do want to be looking at these factors, but do not underestimate that, this momentum that it's seeing right now, this sideways movement, is bullish. I know no one's gonna see that. Obviously, everyone wants to see this like this. People want to see these type of moves. Literally, you want to see that all the time, and I don't blame you. Everyone does, but that's not how it's going to happen this time around, because it has already had that massive run, where it has all-time highs after all-time highs, and now it's consolidating, and obviously those previous support lines are going to play as a level of resistance for us right now, and there's no question about that. And I've shared with you guys, layer 1's last bull cycle were one of the hottest things people were talking about. Layer 1, layer 2. And guess what Kaspa is? It's a layer 1 with a ghost chain. Very unique. So that is the beauty of, these new projects launching. I've told you guys from the beginning, all these other layer 1s cannot be getting too comfortable, because new projects are launching day to day. The entry level into the crypto space is really, really high. So, a lot of people can enter, and they can bring a unique project that can literally take your market away from you. So that's what I'm looking at. I still think it's quite undervalued. $500 million market cap, and it was able to hit $1 billion market cap just 2 months ago, and that was with just these exchanges that it has listed on. So that really paints us a better picture as to how, bullish this project really is. Of course, time is going to tell, but I'm betting really, really heavy on this one. I have not yet picked this up. I've told you guys this before too. Right now, I'm running out of, fresh fiat. Like, I don't have fiat. Remember, at the end of the day, I'm not no millionaire here, but this is one of the projects that I have close eyes on, and I think could be one of the impressive movers at this upcoming, not even 14 months, I think, 14 to 20 months, because, this bull cycle should peak at 2025 early. I'd be locking in all my profits, late Q4 of 2024, in my opinion. That's where I'd be cashing out, but of course only time is going to tell. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts on this entire thing that's happening with Kaspa? Do you think this has what it takes to hit $1? I want to hear from you guys. Do you guys honestly think that this could hit $1 in the near future? And do you think it is here to compete with the other big boys? I want to hear from you guys on that. Remember, almost 19.4 billion circulation supply. If you really compared this with the big boys, I made it kind of made it fair. I compared it with Avalanche. I didn't compare it with like Cardano or anything. I compared it with Avalanche. And if you look at Avalanche's market cap, it hit an all-time high of $30 billion market cap. And that shows, that really paints us the picture as to what we want to be seeing. Let me show you guys right now. You can see this for yourself. Market cap. You can see this for yourself. It hit a $30 billion market cap. And it's just if, right? If Kaspa was able to pull a $30 billion market cap, that puts it at $1. That puts the price at $1. But yeah, that is my opinion. I think, things are looking great for this project. It's holding really, really strong. There's no question asked about that. But of course, only time is going to tell. But I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear what you guys think. What is your stance on this? And who do you think this is here to compete with? And whose spot do you think Kaspa will take? Let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.